Hi, welcome to Nature Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to make tic-tac-toe out of natural items. So first you can see, Camilo, what do you have there?
I have acorns.
And I have the tips of marigolds that are no longer blooming. So each of us will have our different items. And you can go out and you can find anything as long as you can tell them apart. And then, how many sticks did we need?
4.
We have 4 sticks. And what are we going to use the sticks for?
Tic-tac-toe board.
There you go. So we're going to make them, cross them this way, 2 parallel, and then 2 parallel this way. And then we're ready to play. Then you have to ask your partner. So this is a good game to play with a partner. You can play against yourself, but it's not always as much fun. But you can find a sibling or someone who lives in your house. And you'd say, would you like to go first or should I go first?
You.
Me? All right. It's a lot of pressure. All right. Uh-oh. We got a roller one. Okay, there we go. Yeah, think about my strategy. Oh, you blocked me. Okay. Sorry. Right here. And there's a lot of anticipation. What's going to happen next? Oh, I was so close to victory. Oh, we were tied. Nice game. So go outside, find some cool objects that you can use for your nature tic-tac-toe, and let me know what kind of neat natural items you found. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.